What's good with you? Look, let's add networks to MetaMask the fastest way possible. And for the people that don't know, the reason why you would want to add different networks to MetaMask is so that you can access different cryptocurrencies and tokens. All of them have their own native currency. So Binance Smart Chain network, their currency is BNB. Avalanche, their currency is AVAX. And to tap into AVAX, we need to add the AVAX network. I'll show you at the end the old way how we used to do it, but I'm gonna just get straight to it. So the first thing you want to do is go to chainlist.org. All right, and so we already here, and then you want to connect your wallet right here. I like my sites on dark mode, but let me just switch it, brighten things up a little bit. I would click connect wallet. All right, and so now it's just asking me which wallet I want to connect. So if I had multiple accounts, those will show up. But for right now, I'm gonna just click next. Yes, I do want to connect this to this account. So I'll just click connect. Boom. So now I'm in there. So if you know the native currency of that network, you can just type that in. For me, it's BNB. I want to add Binance Smart Chain. So it says currency BNB, Binance Smart Chain, and I hover over here. If I wanted to make sure I'm doing Binance Smart Chain, then if you typed in Binance, Binance will show up. Now, currently, right now, I already have Binance connected, so I'm going to delete Binance for now. So I just clicked on the MetaMask extension, click on the network names up here, and then I just scroll down, hover over it, and then just click the X, delete, and then for AVAX, I'll delete it. And by the way, I will show you how to do this on desktop and mobile, and it's the same for Mac and iPhone, and PC and Android. It's all the same. Okay. All right. So I want to add now Binance. I typed in Binance under search networks, and then I just click add to MetaMask. And here's all the information that it's adding for that network. I just click on approve, and now it's asking me, do I want to? The network I'm on is Ethereum, so now it just asks me, do I want to switch? Just click switch. Done. It's added. All right, so that's the fastest way to add networks to your MetaMask account. All right, so for instance, if I want to add now, let's say I want to add Avalanche, and I know the native token, the native currency is AVAX. I can type in AVAX, click add to MetaMask, same thing, approve, switch to network, boom. And to show you I'm on the AVAX or the Avalanche network, I just click it and it shows up here. All right. And so it added that. Let's verify that it added Binance Smart Chain. It added Binance Smart Chain. All right, so this is the fastest possible way. Chainlist.org, whoever y'all are, thank you so much for creating this. This is a great resource to helping us add networks the fast way. I mean, whether you a pro at this or you new at this, this is a great way to do this without having to go back and forth. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how to do this on your phone. So let me pull up my phone. Okay, top left hand corner, I'm gonna click the little three lines, hamburger menu is what they call it. Right now I already know I have some networks, so I clicked on settings, and I'm gonna go to networks, and I'm gonna remove those networks. And this is the same for iPhone and Android. All you would do if you wanted to remove one, you would come down to the network name and you would press and hold on it. All right, and remember, you cannot delete a network if you're on that network. All right, so I just click remove, come down here, I press and hold on it, I click remove, boom, it's done, it's gone. All right, and so next I would go to back, hit the menu again. I would go to browser, and I'm already on Chainlist, but if you wasn't, you can click either this. If you got numbers, like you already got, you basically already into other websites, or if you want to go to the website from scratch, you would click the little search icon, and you would type in here. As you can see, chainlist.org is already in there. All right, so I would just scroll down because I need to connect my wallet first before I can do anything. Connect my wallet. It automatically connects it, and then now I can search for that network. So for instance, we was looking for Binance. All right, so I scroll down a little bit more. When I type that in, just so you know, it does pre-fill that information in. So type in Binance, boom, it pre-fills it in. Click add to MetaMask. And as you can see at the top, Ethereum main network is selected. Now I'll click approve, switch network, and it automatically switches to that network. Come on, man, that's the fastest way to do it. And so now let's do AVAX or Avalanche Network. I'm going to use their currency to find their network, and so I just typed in AVAX because I know their currency. And so I just click add to MetaMask, approve, switch the network at the top, boom, I'm on AVAX. To double check if I'm on AVAX, I can click the top left hand corner, and then I can click wallet, and it shows AVAX C chain, and then it shows that I got you know, a couple pancakes and a biscuit of AVAX in there, $11.35. So that show you, I mean, that's the fastest possible way to add networks to your account from PC, Mac, Android, and iPhone. One thing I noticed, let me delete, because I know when I did this, my face was on the bottom right hand corner. So let me move my face. We would type in the search networks field, Binance or BNB. I do Binance just so I don't get the other one, because sometimes, look, if you do type in BNB, you might get another one, and this is not the Binance network, but their currency is BNB. So that's why I type in the actual network name, Binance. Add the MetaMask, and as you can see, it says approve. And look, so we know this information is the same on Binance's website. So the old way, let's go through the old way. I would type in how to add, here we go, Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask, and then I would look for the website, Binance.com. Click on it. I would scroll down. I read all through this, and then you get to this one section that says this is the one you're probably looking for. Thank you. And so now I would copy all this information and then paste it in. It's just like a copy and paste thing. You got to go to the settings and Chainlist. I mean, this was a time saver. So if you're a pro or somebody that's just starting, everyone can utilize this. You get a new phone, or you got a new MetaMask account or something, you want to hurry up and add some networks real quick. This is the fastest possible way, and they have a lot of different networks. Just scroll through. Ethereum, Phantom, Polygon, Chronos. You know, maybe if some of y'all might be looking for GoChain. Here we go, GoChain. And so this is just a wonderful resource to use. And by the way, let me just complete that first one. Chainlist. So Binance, that was Binance, the one I was originally trying to add. Now that you can see the approve button, and right here it says switch networks. All right, and it shows, let me click on assets to show my BNB, and that's it. So listen, I hope this was helpful. And if y'all got questions, confused about anything, something didn't work, leave the question in the comment section, and I'll be sure to help you out. Also, you can join our Discord, Tech Giants Discord. I'm gonna put that also in the description. That's just a faster way to, reach me and reach other Tech Giants reach out for help. So look, till next time, I hope they help. And this has been a lifesaver. Thank you, Chainlist. Y'all take it easy.